So last year's Fan Edition device proved to be one of Samsung's most successful devices of the year, and with its successor, the Galaxy S21 FE, Samsung wants to create the same magic they did with its predecessor. In fact, Samsung chose the S21 FE over the Galaxy Note 21 amid the global chip shortage. That speaks how important this launch is for Samsung. With that being said, following the official leaks of Galaxy Watch 4, Watch 4 Classic, the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and the Z Flip 3, we have our very first official look at the Galaxy S21 FE. These are the marketing material that Samsung is going to use to promote the handset. As you can see, the phone bears a strong resemblance to the Galaxy S21, which is to be expected given that the S20 FE looked very similar to the regular S20 series as well. But there's a minor change to the camera housing. It doesn't go all the way to the sides like on the S21. Some of you might wonder, since the frame of the handset is of the same color as the plastic back, is it also made from plastic? Well, no. It's made from aluminum, since you can see the antenna lines. With that said, the S21 FE will have a high feature that even the Galaxy S21 Ultra is missing, and it's the support for 45 charging. Well, that's according to the FCC certification the handset has received. Although on paper, the difference between the 25W and 45W charging seems huge, in reality, there's hardly any difference between these two charging speeds from Samsung. But just like the S21 lineup, don't expect them to include either of those chargers inside the box of the S21 FE. Also, you might have heard that the S21 FE has been postponed due to the chip shortage. You might have even heard that the handset will be available in limited countries at the beginning, namely the US and Europe. Also, it was reported that the handset will have only the Snapdragon variant. Turns out there's a change in the plan according to the latest report from South Korea. The global chip shortage is the main reason for the change of heart. According to the report, Samsung will ship the handset with Snapdragon 888 in the US and Europe, while the rest of the world will get their in-house Exynos chipsets, but it is still not clear which countries will get the Exynos version of the smartphone. Galaxy Watch 4, Watch 4 Classic, and the Galaxy Buds 2 will launch at the Unpacked event in August. We've already seen the official images of all of these products. We also know their features. Now we're getting the final piece of the puzzle, their prices. The Galaxy Watch 4 will come in two sizes. The smaller one will cost €350 370, while the larger watch will be €380 400. Here's the pricing for the Watch 4 Classic. Interestingly, they haven't mentioned the pricing of the 44mm Classic variant. Finally, the Buds 2 will sit between €180 and €200. These prices are for the European market, so don't convert them into your currency, because it doesn't work like that, but either way the prices are surely higher than the current models. We'll see how these prices pan out as we get closer to the event. Do consider subscribing for all the latest tech news, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.